How to use Kodi for IPTV. So to be able to use Kodi for IPTV, first go ahead and open Kodi and go to add-ons, launch Kodi on your device. From the home screen, go to settings and then click on add-ons, install from repository, and then inside the repository, select PVR client. Scroll and click on PVR IPTV simple client, hit install and wait for the add-on to complete the installation. Once installed, go back to add-ons, my add-ons, and PVR clients, open PVR IPTV simple client and click on configure. Under General tab, for M3U playlist URL, paste your M3U link. For EPG URL, paste your XML TV guide link if available. Now enable the add-on. After configuration, click on enable, go back to Kodi home screen, and then the TV selection will appear. Go to the TV section, click on channels to start browsing your IPTV channels. And that is how to use Kodi for IPTV.